On time means punctual, not late. If something happens on time, it happens at the time which was planned. The 11:45 train left on time. I'll meet you at 7:30. Okay, but please be on time. The conference was well organized. Everything began and finished on time. The opposite of on time is late. Be on time. Don't be late. In time means soon enough. Will you be home in time for dinner? I've sent Emma a birthday present. I hope it arrives in time. I'm in a hurry. I want to be home in time to see the game on TV. The opposite of in time is too late. I got home too late to see the stream of my favorite game. You can say just in time. We got to the station just in time for our train. A child ran into the road in front of the car. I managed to stop just in time. At the end of something means at the time when something ends. For example, at the end of the month. At the end of the film. At the end of the game. At the end of January. At the end of the course. At the end of the concert. I'm going away at the end of January. At the end of the concert, there was great applause. You cannot say in the end of. So you cannot say in the end of January or in the end of the concert. The opposite of at the end is at the beginning. For example, I'm going away at the beginning of January. Not in the beginning. In the end means finally. We use in the end when we say what the final result of a situation was. We had a lot of problems with our car. We sold it in the end. Finally we sold it. He got more and more angry. In the end he just left. Alan couldn't decide where to go for his holidays. He didn't go anywhere in the end. The opposite of in the end is usually at first. At first we didn't get on very well, but in the end we became good friends.